My third task in Let's Grow More internship program. This is regarding exploratory data analysis on terrorism. Here for this we are importing libraries, loading data and checking for the data entries and available features. Here understanding the data, checking for the shape of the data, checking for null values and replacing all null values, checking for the unique values in the data set, displaying all the features available in the data set, checking for the names of the features, all the 135 features we are checking here. And after that we are renaming each features with different name. Most important columns we are renaming each column name with a different name. After renaming we are checking for the data set, and again we are checking data info. Here we are checking for the statistical analysis of the data set. Then we are checking correlation between the features. Here correlation is high between wounded people and killed people. We are checking for null values. Now we don't find any null values because we already changed those values. And now here we are doing the exploratory data analysis. Here we are checking for the maximum attacks and the country which affected most, city affected most. Those data we are checking here. Here we are doing exploratory data analysis, and the year which affected most is 2014. The most affected countries because of terrorist attack is Iraq, and top cities which affected due to terrorism is Baghdad. Next, this is the overall graph representing terrorist activities in certain region and their attacks, number of attacks. Next we are checking for type of attacks. They mostly preferred explosion type of attacks, and they targeted on common people and military people. Mostly affected people are the common people. The weapon they have used is explosives. Here we are creating the separate data frame with respect to the year and number of people killed. And here we are checking for the number of people died every year because of terrorist attack. Here in 2014 a high number of people have killed, and this is region wise, and injured people. Here killed people region wise. The most affected region is Northeast and North Africa region, and wounded people, highly wounded people are found in same region, Middle East and North Africa. this region wise calculation. And this is the graph between number of people attacked versus number of people killed and their country. Here we are checking for the group which involved in most number of terrorist activities. After analysis, we are getting a Taliban group has involved in more number of terrorist attack. And here we are plotting those attacks in map. For that we are using folium. And what the conclusion we're getting is most affected country is Iraq, affected city is Baghdad, and the region which is vulnerable to attack is Middle East and North Africa, and year which is most affected is 2014, and the group which involved in the terrorist activity is Taliban. Thank you.